Today I'm going to be working on Google Calendars and adding calendars to your Google Calendar, and also adding your Google Calendar to other calendar apps like Microsoft Outlook. First I'm going to go into Google Calendar. If you notice, I already have one calendar showing here, but let's say I want to add a calendar from one of my other accounts. If I know what the email address is, I can type it in there. Type it in, I'll hit enter, and since it's set to automatically add the calendar upon request, it shows up automatically, but otherwise it generates a request and sends it to whoever's calendar you requested. Let's say I want to add a different calendar, like from my Blackboard. There's a calendar in Blackboard. If I want to see my assignments in Google, I can add a Blackboard calendar. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Blackboard. Then I'm going to go into the training and development, or whatever class I'm in. I'm going to go to the tools folder and go down to calendar. It's pretty empty. There aren't any things on this calendar, but if I did want to import this calendar, all I'd have to do is go down to the get external calendar link under iCalendar. It'll generate a URL in iCal format, so all I have to do is copy that. I can move over to Google Calendar, click on the plus to add another calendar, do from a URL, and I'll just paste in my Blackboard calendar's iCal address, click add calendar. If you notice, it says it added the calendar. If I scroll down here, it has the URL of the calendar, and if I did have any events, then it would show up in my calendar here. Let's say I want to do something with a different, I wanted to integrate this Google Calendar app into say my Outlook calendar. That would be pretty much the same thing, the same process. I would just have to go into my calendar here and go into add calendar from internet, since I'm going to be doing it from online, from URL, just the same way I did with Blackboard. Then I'll go to my calendar, find the one that I want to send over. So let's say I'll do my instructor's office hours. That one's already out there, has events on it. So I'll find that one, click on the options, settings, click on integrate calendar, and it'll have a couple different options for it. Public URL for the calendar, that makes it available so anyone can see it. If you want to embed it in a website or something, you can get an iframe HTML markup here. I'm going to do a secret address, and it feels like it's a more secure option. So I'll just copy that, and then I'll go back to my Outlook calendar, paste the address in, click save, and it added that calendar in. If you notice, it looks similar to what I've got in Google. Same calendar there. There's also some other features you can do if you want to add calendars that are part of Google's collection of calendars, ones that are added in there. You can do browse calendars of interest, and you'll notice right at the top they've got some different holidays, different kind of a cool option they have is different sports calendars. Let's say I want to get a calendar for an NHL team I like. Go under hockey, NHL, look for Detroit Red Wings. All I gotta do is check it and it adds the calendar. We'll go back and we'll see that the Red Wings play the Jets tomorrow, 6:30 p.m. And it even tells you things like what channel it'll be on. and give you some information about the game. It's kind of a cool feature. So that's how you add calendars, and a few different ways to integrate calendars with Google Calendar. Thanks for watching.